Hello and welcome to another Trusted Teachers video. We are aiming to be the support that we needed when starting out. This video is going to be a business management video. I'm joined, as always, by Mr. C.
Hello, Mr. B.
And the lesson we're going to focus on today is called Factors of Production. Is that something you're familiar with, Mr. C?
Not particularly, no. It's a long time since I've studied business in any shape, so.
Okay, so hopefully by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding.
Yeah.
Okay, just first of all, have you got any thoughts on what factors of production might mean?
It's the word factors that's, I suppose, caused me a wee bit of difficulty. Are we talking about people, labour, materials? Is it that type of thing?
Yeah, you're definitely on the right track there. Just in terms of a formal definition for our viewers. So businesses have to coordinate, so kind of join together the four factors of production in order to provide their customers with goods and services. So there's four things that business has to make sure are in sync with each other. Factors of production are the different resources that are combined to produce something. So the things you mentioned there, we're on the right track, so well done. So can you just, again, just to thinking, there are four different factors of production, four things you have to kind of combine together to produce products and services. You mentioned a couple of things already. Could you just repeat those?
Oh, was it materials, labour, people?
Okay, so labour, yeah, definitely, and materials. Obviously, there's different types of materials. So I'm just going to share with you what the four factors are. So you can see them on the image there, but I'll just go through them one for one. So the first one is land. That's one of the factors of production. The second one, you already mentioned it, was labour. The third one is referred to as capital. And the final one is enterprise. Okay, is that what sort of things you expected to see?
Some of them, the land, the labour, capital, I kind of maybe expected. Enterprise, I hadn't thought on.
Okay, so I'm just going to pick your brains on these and then we'll go through what they mean. So land, what do you think we mean by land in terms of factors of production?
Raw materials, wood, metals, the kind of raw materials we'd extract from the land.
Yeah, you're right. That's the key bit. It's things that you can extract from the land. Well done. Labour, you've talked about it, but what is labour, just for our viewers?
That would be a workforce.
Yeah, so it'd be the employees that are working for you, and you have to make sure you say that it's the people that's making the product.
Right.
Capital, what do you think about that?
First of all, money. Money to kind of.
Yeah, money's one. Yep, definitely.
Machinery, would it come under capital?
Yeah, machinery be in there as well.
Money, machinery, I'm struggling.
Okay, so things like tools as well, technology. What about enterprise? Any idea? So we've got land, we've got our land resources, we've got our labour, we've got our capital resources. What do you think enterprise might mean?
Is that like the initial idea for the business? Is that the kind of the impetus? Somebody spotted the need or a good that people want and wants and needs and trying to fulfill that.
Yeah, it is about the idea, and it's about the entrepreneur, the business owner, bringing together all the different factors of production in order to make the product. So the entrepreneur would gather the land resources, hire the labor, and get the capital resources needed to make the product. Does that make sense?
Yeah, very much so, yeah.
Okay, so just going to quickly run through them. Land, as you correctly said, it's the natural resources of the world that are used to make products. So things like water and plants, anything that's naturally occurring.
Right.
Labor are the people employed to make the product, as you said, the workforce. Capital are person-made resources that are needed to make a product, machines, tools, money, any new technology, so anything that can be bought, really.
Right.
And enterprise is the combining of the other factors by the entrepreneur. Okay, I'm going to finish off this video just with a wee quiz. Okay, I'm going to show an image and I want you to tell me which factor of production you think it will be.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Right, so the first one, just take your time. What do you think that would refer to?
Capital.
Okay, that's correct. Why did you say that?
It's obviously kind of modern technology, and that's something that can be purchased, as you said. So that's why I went for capital.
Yep, so we've got a calculator in there, we've got a computer mouse. What about this one?
Land.
Okay, and why is that?
It's obviously showing some kind of crop there, which is a natural product that can be extracted from the land.
Yep, brilliant. And the next one?
Enterprise.
Okay, that's a bit trickier, that one. How did you work that out?
It's the light bulb showing the kind of spark of an idea, the entrepreneurship there.
Okay, yep, definitely. And the last one?
People, obviously showing kind of a workforce type image there.
That wasn't the term we used, though. What was the term?
Oh, it wasn't, that's right. It was labour.
Labour, well done. Okay, so you got 4 out of 4, well done.
Yeah.
So that's a bit of a shorter video today. We've reached the end. Mr. C, do you think you could just summarise what the 4 factors of production are?
Well, I think I had quite a few lucky guesses in there because I really wasn't sure going into this lesson what the 4 factors of production were. I think I had a couple of lucky guesses, but obviously there was the land, which is natural resources that can be extracted from the land. There was labour, which is the workforce and the people required to make the product. There was the capital, which is the money, machinery, tools to manufacture a product. And then there was the enterprise, that entrepreneurship idea where someone brings all of the land, labour and capital together to create a product.
Brilliant, Mr. C, you summarised that perfectly. So that's us finished this video. I hope this was useful for those people studying business management. Our next video we're going to record today is another Trusted Teachers Tips, focusing on positive classroom management skills. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave comments below.